Have you ever experienced this? One day she's super sweet, the next day she's cold like ice. Sometimes she's close, sometimes she pulls away. It confuses you. It makes you overthink everything. That's what you call playing hard to get. And honestly, bro, a lot of guys lose in this situation, but here's the good news. You can win. In this video, I'll show you how to handle this kind of girl calmly, smartly, and with self-respect. 1. Keep moving. Don't take it personally. If she rejects you, don't get emotional. I know it's not easy, especially if you've put in effort, spent time, maybe even money. But listen, rejection is part of the game. Don't overthink it. A high-value man doesn't stop because of one girl. He keeps moving forward. 2. Stop seeking validation. One of the biggest mistakes men make? Too much validation. Complimenting her nonstop. Chasing her approval. Trying too hard to impress. Bro, you have self-worth. Compliments are fine, but don't overdo it. And most importantly, you don't need her approval to feel valuable. 3. Don't pause your life for her. If she's unclear, don't wait around. Go out, meet new people, talk to other women, not to get revenge, but to show your life doesn't revolve around her. Remember, if she doesn't choose you, that's her loss, not yours. 4. Have high standards. Don't fall for looks alone. This is where many guys fail. They get attracted to appearance, but ignore character. Look for a woman who has values, has goals, respects you. A real relationship isn't a game. It's built on mutual respect. 5. Be clear and decisive. Don't be vague. If you want to ask her out, be specific. Day, time, place. Decisive men are attractive. If she keeps making excuses, keeps being unclear, walk away. Your time is too valuable to waste on someone who's not serious. 6. Don't get triggered by jealousy. Sometimes she tries to make you jealous. It's a test. If you react, you lose. Why? Because it shows insecurity, lack of control. Stay calm. Show her that you're not threatened by anyone. 7. Take it slow physically. Don't rush intimacy. If you move too fast, you become predictable. Take it slow. Let her get curious. Let her invest more. This shows control, emotional strength, and that's way more attractive. 8. Be confident and know your worth. This is the most important part. You need to believe you have value, not based on looks or someone else's validation, but based on who you are. When you have this mindset, she'll realize you're not easy to get, and that's when her ego starts to break. Closing. So here's the bottom line, bro. If she plays hard to get, don't play her game. Stay calm, grounded, focused on yourself. Because in the end, the strongest man is the one who controls himself. And remember, there are plenty of women out there. Don't get stuck on one who isn't clear about you. All right, bro. That's it for today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay sharp, stay strong.